guys to my channel, and today I'm going to get my iPhone 13 product red, which is the base model, which is the 128 GB. So I'm going to the Switch store to get my iPhone. Stay tuned, guys. So we have here the product red iPhone 13 with 128 GB of storage, and also we have the AirTag, which will help me to detect my keys or maybe my children in the future. Okay, this coming handy. And straight ahead to the unboxing. So yeah, gonna peel this paper tap on top. It's quite satisfying to do these things during unboxing. Yep, on the bottom. So inside the box we have the red iPhone 13 and also the usual stuff, the product red, and also the cable. I'm gonna peel this paper from the screen. Yep, very satisfying. I'm gonna boot this device first. Yep. So in this video we just focus on the unboxing, and I think, yep, I will make a review on this iPhone in my next video. So there it is, the setup. Yep. I think that is all for today, and I will get back to you after a while after using this iPhone 13 red product. So thank you for watching.